Why do body imbalances occur? Traditional teachings suggest that our disconnection from nature may hold the answers. Aidan Sully emphasizes the importance of aligning our lives with the natural rhythms around us, such as the sun and seasons. For instance, when we ignore seasonal changes, it can disrupt our internal harmony, leading to health issues. As Sully states, our healing is intertwined with nature's design. The foods we eat, the timing of our meals, and even the cycles of rest all play vital roles. Embracing this perspective not only brings physical wellness, but fosters deeper spiritual and emotional connections as well.